On behalf of my business partner John, our families, the entire Worldwide team, we thank you for joining us at a live auction. It's about time, right?
Stunning pre-war classic. This is a 1934 Packard 1101 Coupe Roadster.
Sold.
1963 Corvette 327 340 split windows.
Sold on the telephone.
The 65 Chevy Corvette 396 425 horse.
Love
Roadster.
It. Sold.
Lot number 24 is an outstanding, possibly the world's finest, 1934 Chrysler Airflow Coupe.
Sold.
This is the 1954 GMC Custom Pickup.
Sold.
Lot 29 is 1970 Dodge Challenger RT.
Congratulations. Sold.
This is the 1936 Cadillac Shangri-La Custom Roadster by Rick Dorr.
Ford 95 is against him. 500,000. 500,000 bid, ladies and gentlemen. All done. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand. Sold.
Lot number 37 is a 1970 Chevrolet Camino SS LSS, offered without reserve this evening.
Sold right there.
Lot number 38, an incredibly rare 1935 Packard 1201 dual cowl sport Phaeton.
Sold.
Lot number 42, one of the stars of our show tonight. This is the 1935 Auburn 851 SC Boattail Speedster.
If you like it, 600,000. 600 I am bid. 650. Third and final time. Fair warning. Sold.
Lot 43, another great car from Eric McConnell's collection. This is the 1960 Chevrolet Biscayne Custom.
Sold.
Magnificent 1941 Chrysler Town & Country Barrelback Station Wagon.
Sold. Sold.
Lot number 53, it's a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Custom.
Sold. Yep, keep going.
Lot 58, another great car from the pristine collection. This one, the 56 Ford Custom Truck.
Sold.
We're going to do lot 59. It's the first place winner of the 2020 Detroit Autorama. That's huge. A scorching 1,100 horsepower, 555 Chevy Big Block.
Sold.
Lot 61, 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Restomod Coupe.
Sold.
And ladies and gentlemen, one of the highlights of the show, and probably one of the highlights of the year as far as collector car sales go, is lot number 60, point 1, point 2, and point 3. I'm sure you're well aware of this collection.
The only known collection available in the entire world. 700,000. Everybody can bid at 700,000. 700,000. 800,000. 925 on bid. 975,000. I sip, you bid. Fair warning, I have sold. 35th annual charity auction quilt, Charlie. Sold. Thank you both. Did.
Lot number 2 is a 1935 Duesenberg SSJ pedal car. It's one of only 4 built.
Sold. Going to Conroe, Texas. That is indeed the last lot of an incredibly successful sale. Thanks to you all. We appreciate you being here. See you all again. Scottsdale, January this year. God bless. Travel safe.